There are 13 artificial intelligence tools people are using right now to build income through technology. In this video, you will see clear examples of each tool and the exact actions people take to use them effectively. Welcome to the channel, where we focus on practical ways to use technology and artificial intelligence to build skills, create value, and earn income. This video is designed to be clear and actionable. You will see how each tool is used, what problem it solves, and how people apply it in real workflows. We won't be showing you any flashy lifestyles, just the real, step-by-step processes you can follow. Our goal is to give you a solid foundation so you can start exploring these powerful resources for yourself. So let's get right into it. First up is a tool you've probably heard of, ChatGPT, which is a powerhouse for content and ideas. It's incredibly versatile. To use it, you simply open the interface and enter a clear request. For example, you could ask it to write a video script for a specific topic, generate 10 content ideas for a blog, or create a detailed outline for a business project. Once you have the output, you review it and edit the text to perfectly match your goals and your own unique voice. It's an amazing starting point that can save you hours of brainstorming and drafting. Next, we have Pictory, a fantastic tool that helps you convert written content directly into videos. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to create video content but isn't a video editor. Here is how it works. You start by uploading a script or even just the URL to a blog post. Then you select a video style from their templates. Pictory's AI will automatically analyze your text and generate visuals to match it, pulling from a vast library of stock footage. You can then review and adjust the scenes, swap out visuals, and fine-tune it before exporting your final video. It's that simple. Tool number 3 is Runway, which is all about advanced video editing and visual effects. Runway is perfect for taking your video quality to the next level. To get started, you upload your video footage. From there, you can apply a wide range of powerful AI tools, like instantly removing the background from a clip, enhancing low-light footage, or even generating entirely new scenes from a text prompt. You can preview all your changes in real time. Once you're happy with the results, you just export the final polished video. Moving on to tool number 4, we have CapCut. It's an incredibly popular editor, especially for creating faceless videos and short-form content. CapCut is packed with AI features that simplify the editing process. You just import your video clips into the timeline. Then, with a single click, you can apply automatic captions, which the AI generates from your audio. The AI can also suggest templates, effects, and transitions to make your video more engaging. After you adjust the timing and make your edits, you can export it directly to your favorite platform. At number 5, we have Jasper. Jasper is an AI assistant specifically designed for marketing and advertising copy. If you've ever struggled to write compelling descriptions or ads, this is the tool for you. To use it, you first select a content type, like a product description, a social media ad, or an email subject line. Then, enter the key details about your product or service. Jasper's AI will generate several creative options for you. From there, you just refine the generated text until it's perfect for your campaign. Similar to Jasper, our 6th tool is Copy AI, which excels at creating short-form social content. This tool is great for quickly generating posts for platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. The process is straightforward. You choose a template based on what you need, like a post caption or a listicle. You provide some keywords or a little bit of context about your topic. Copy AI then produces multiple variations of content, which you can edit for clarity and tone before posting. It's a huge time saver for social media managers. Now let's talk about creating visuals. Tool number 7 is Midjourney, which generates stunning, high-quality images from simple text prompts. To use Midjourney, you join their server and type your command, describing the image you want to create. Be as descriptive as possible, mentioning style, lighting, and composition. The AI will generate a few different results based on your prompt. You can then select your preferred image, ask for variations, or refine it further until you have the exact visual you need. Then, just export the image for your project. Our 8th tool, DALL-E, is another powerful AI for creating custom images and illustrations. Developed by the same team behind ChatGPT, DALL-E is known for its ability to generate a wide variety of artistic styles. The workflow is simple. You describe the image you want in clear, natural language. The AI will then generate several unique variations for you to choose from. You can also edit parts of an image or ask it to create new options inspired by one you like. Once you find the perfect one, you can download it. Tool number 9 is Canva, a design platform that has brilliantly integrated artificial intelligence into its tools. Canva makes graphic design accessible to everyone. You can start by selecting one of their thousands of professional templates for anything from a social media post to a business presentation. Their AI features, called Magic Studio, can help you write text, generate images, or even apply styles to your entire design with one click. After you customize it with your text and visuals, you can export your professional-looking designs for any use. Next up, at number 10, is 11 Labs, an incredible tool for creating natural-sounding, human-like voiceovers. If you need audio for your videos, podcasts, or presentations, this is the solution. To use it, you simply paste your written text into the editor. Then you select the voice style from a wide range of options, and you can even clone your own voice. The AI generates the audio, which you can then download as an MP3 file. It's so realistic that it's often hard to tell it's not a human speaker. Tool 11 is Descript, which revolutionizes audio and video editing by making it as simple as editing a text document. Here's how it works. You upload your audio or video recording, and Descript automatically transcribes it. To edit your recording, you don't mess with complex timelines. Instead, you just edit the text transcript. If you delete a word or a sentence from the text, Descript automatically removes the corresponding audio or video. You can also remove filler words with one click before exporting the clean final version. Our 12th tool helps with organization. Notion has integrated powerful artificial intelligence features to help you manage your projects and workflows. You start by creating a workspace for your project. From there, you can use Notion AI to summarize long documents, brainstorm ideas, create action plans, or even draft entire reports. It acts as your personal assistant right inside your project hub, allowing you to track progress and keep all of your information neatly organized in one place, making you far more productive. Finally, our 13th tool is Zapier, which is the glue that connects all your other tools and automates your tasks. Zapier allows you to create automated workflows, which they call Zaps, without writing any code. To use it, you choose the applications you want to connect, for instance, your email and a spreadsheet. You then define a trigger, like receiving a new email with an attachment, and an action, like saving that attachment to a specific folder. Once you activate the workflow, Zapier handles the task for you automatically. These 13 tools support income when used with clear goals, consistent effort, and practical skills. The key is not to get overwhelmed. Focus on one tool that solves a problem you have right now. Learn its workflow inside and out. Then, apply it to solve real problems for yourself or for clients. Technology is most powerful when it's paired with human skill and a clear purpose. If this video helped you understand how these tools work, please give it a like and share it with someone who might find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe for more realistic guidance on using technology and artificial intelligence to build your future. Thanks for watching.